Good morning, students. Welcome back to Biology Classroom once again. Today I am going to start Chapter 7 Health and Hygiene. Health and Hygiene. Health is a state of being free from illness or injury. According to World Health Organization, health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. So, any condition that interferes with the normal body functions due to some reason is called disease. So, when any condition interrupt the normal body function due to some special reason, this condition is known as disease. So, by physical health, we mean healthy body. Mental health means emotional health or emotional development. Social health means forming meaningful relationship in society. We must eat proper food, drink clean water, exercise regularly, rest properly, and keep our surroundings clean to be fit and fine. The diseases are two types: non communicable disease and communicable disease. So, what is non communicable disease? Diseases that do not spread from one person to another. So, which kind of disease is not spread one person to another? That is known as non communicable disease. They are generally caused due to the deficiency of some nutrients such as vitamin, minerals, malfunctioning of the body functions or organ. So normally non-communicable diseases occur due to the deficiency of vitamins, minerals or malfunctionings of body parts or body organs. Nutritional deficiency disease, protein deficiency disease. The deficiency of protein in the diet of small children causes a disease known as kwashiorkor. So, in the diet chart of children, if there is left deficiency of protein, one kind of disease occur that is known as kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor disease occur in the children of 1 to 5 years of age. Kwashiorkor develops when a mother stops feeding her child with the breast milk due to the birth of the another baby too soon. ये क्वाशियोकप तब होता है जब एक माँ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग बंद कर देता है दूसरा बच्चा होने पे. Next, protein and carbohydrate deficiency disease. The deficiency of protein as well as carbohydrate in the diet of very small children causes a disease known as marasmus. So only जब deficiency of protein, the disease is known as kwashiorkor. Same way, the deficiency of protein as well as carbohydrate, the situation is known as marasmus. Marasmus diseases occur in the infants of up to 1 year of age. Marasmus develops when infants below the age of 1 year are abruptly weaned away from the breast milk. मतलब 1 साल में जब बच्चा 6 मंथ के बाद ब्रेस्ट मिल्क बंद कर देता है मम्मी दूध पिलाना, नॉर्मली बाजार से मिलने वाला दूध जब पिलाती है उसको सफिशियंट प्रोटीन और कार्बोहाइड्रेट नहीं मिलता है, तब उस सिचुएशन में नॉर्मली वो मैल न्यूट्रिशन में सफ़र करता है, तब उस सिचुएशन को हम लोग मैरास्मस बोलेंगे. एंड सच फूड इज इनएडिक्वेट फॉर द नॉर्मल ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड. तो नॉर्मली बाजार में मिलने वाला जो दूध होता है दैट इज नॉट इनएडिक्वेट फॉर द नॉर्मल ग्रोथ ऑफ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड. Vitamin deficiency disease. Deficiency of various vitamins in the human diet give rise of number of diseases or disorders. Some of the vitamin deficiency diseases are night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, and rickets. So normally night blindness is occur due to the deficiency of vitamin A. In this situation, poor have lower vision. मतलब नॉर्मली रात में दिखाई नहीं देता है, डीम लाइट में दिखाई नहीं देता है. बेरी it causes loss of muscle strength and muscle paralysis. So in this situation normally muscle का strength बहुत कम हो जाता है and we feel weakness. Next, scurvy. Scurvy is occur due to the deficiency of vitamin C. In this situation normally we feel general weakness, anemia, gum disease और skin hemorrhage. मतलब स्किन में बहुत सूखापन महसूस होता है, स्किन इरिटेशन फील होगा. रिकेट्स. People with rickets have weak and soft bones, stunted growth, and skeletal deformities in the several cases. In this situation, ricket is occurred due to the deficiency of vitamin D. In this situation, normally our bone become weak and our growth stunted, and the skeletal deformities is found. Next, hemorrhage. Hemorrhage referred to the rapid flow of blood from the ruptured blood vessels. अगर ब्लड में कहीं पे भी ब्लड वेसल्स में कोई इंजरी होता है, इंटरनल हैमरेज होगा, तो नॉर्मली ब्लड का जो फ्लो होता है वो बहुत रैपिडली होता है. दिस इज कॉज ड्यू टू द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन के. उस चीज़ को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? हेमोरेज. नेक्स्ट, मिनरल डेफिशिएंसी डिजीज. Deficiency of various minerals in the human diet also give rise to the number of diseases or disorders. Some of the minerals deficiency diseases are rickets, cretinism, goiter and anemia. So इसके नीचे दाग लगाना. Mineral deficiency diseases are ricket, cretinism, goiter and anemia. So student, I hope all of you understood what I'm discussing in this video. So for today, up to this portion.